Welcome back to. Today we're bringing you 10-minute home workout for busy schedules. We understand that in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's often challenging to prioritize our health. But remember, a healthy body is a key ingredient to a productive life. So, let's take a short fitness break from our hectic schedules, shall we? Today we have compiled a quick yet effective workout that you can easily squeeze into your busy day. But before we jump into it, let's warm up our bodies and set the tone. A good warm-up wakes up our muscles, increases our heart rate, and prepares our body for the workout ahead. Now get ready to stretch those muscles and get your heart racing because we've got 10 minutes to work our way to a healthier lifestyle. All right, let's kick it off with a classic move. Jumping jacks. This exercise is a total body workout that engages your legs, core, and arms. You might remember them from your school gym days, but they've stood the test of time for a reason. They're excellent at boosting your heart rate, improving your stamina, and promoting cardiovascular health. Jumping jacks are also a fantastic way to kickstart your metabolism. And here's the kicker, they're simple and straightforward to do. Start by standing tall with your feet together and your hands at your sides, then jump up, spread your feet wide, and swing your arms above your head, clapping your hands together. Finally, jump back to the starting position. That's one rep. Keep your movements fluid and your rhythm steady. The goal here isn't just to get your body moving, but to get your blood pumping and your energy levels soaring. Remember, the higher your energy levels, the more productive you'll be in your daily tasks, whether it's crunching numbers for your next financial report or brainstorming for your next big project. It's a simple yet powerful exercise that requires no equipment, and you can do it virtually anywhere. So whether you're at home, in a hotel room, or even in your office during a quick break, you can always squeeze in a few jumping jacks. And the best part, they're fun. There's a certain joy in the freedom of movement that jumping jacks bring. It's almost like you're a kid again, jumping around with no care in the world. It's this spirit of fun and playfulness that makes jumping jacks not just an excellent physical workout, but a mental one too. So let's get those arms swinging, feet jumping, and heart pumping. Let's do this together. Ready, set, jump! They're great for getting your heart rate up and your energy levels soaring. Now it's time for a quick set of push-ups. Push-ups are a full-body exercise that primarily targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. But guess what? They work the core too. They're a versatile exercise that can be done almost anywhere. No equipment, no problem. Let's start with the basics. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Extend your legs behind you with your toes on the floor. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Then push yourself back up. Are you feeling the burn yet? That's your muscles working hard. But don't worry if you can't do a full push-up yet. There's a variation that's perfect for beginners. Try a knee push-up. It's just like a regular push-up, but with your knees on the floor. It reduces the weight you're pushing, making the exercise more manageable. As you get stronger, you can challenge yourself with more advanced variations. Try a wide grip push-up to target your chest more, or a diamond push-up to work your triceps. Push-ups aren't just about strength, though. They also improve your stability and flexibility. They force your body to stabilize itself, engaging your core and lower body, and they stretch your back muscles, promoting more flexibility. Push-ups are like a mini workout in themselves. They're the Swiss Army knife of exercises. They're simple, effective, and adaptable. Remember, it's not about how many push-ups you can do, it's about doing them correctly and consistently. Even a few push-ups a day can make a difference. And the best part? They only take a few minutes. Perfect for those busy days when you're short on time, but still want to get a workout in. So, are you ready to push your limits? Let's do it. Push up, push down, push your limits. Don't worry, we'll start with a beginner-friendly variation and build our way up. Strong legs are essential, and squats are your go-to move. This exercise is a powerhouse that targets the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. Not only that, squats are also beneficial for your core and lower back. Let's begin by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Plant your feet flat on the ground and keep your weight evenly distributed. Your toes should be pointing slightly outward. Now, imagine you're about to sit on a chair. Lower your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Keep your chest up and your eyes forward. Remember to breathe in as you go down. Go as low as you comfortably can, ideally until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Pause for a moment at the bottom, then push through your heels to stand back up while exhaling. Make sure not to rush. Smooth, controlled movements are key here. That's 1 rep done. As you perform these squats, keep in mind that form is more important than speed. It's better to do fewer reps correctly than to do many with poor form. If you're having trouble, don't hesitate to modify. You can try half squats, where you only go halfway down, or use a chair for support. Now, let's get into it. We're going to do as many squats as we can in 2 minutes. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks if necessary. Ready? Let's start squatting. 2 minutes pause. Great job. You've just completed a set of squats. If you found this challenging, don't worry. Strength comes with consistency. Each time you perform this exercise, you're taking a step towards stronger, more powerful legs. Remember, every rep counts. So whether you manage 5 squats or 50, you're making progress. And that's what matters. Stay patient, keep practicing, and you'll see improvements in no time. And that's it for squats. We'll squat our way to stronger legs, 1 rep at a time. High knees, they're fantastic for building stamina and burning calories. Let's give it a try, shall we? This exercise is as simple as it sounds, but don't let that fool you. It packs a punch. Start by standing tall, then bring your knees up to your chest, 1 at a time as if you're running in place. Try to maintain a brisk pace, and remember to engage your core. This will help you balance and get the most out of the movement. Now, why do we love high knees? Well, they're a great way to get your heart rate up and improve your overall endurance. Plus, they're a fantastic calorie burner. But the best part? You're not just working your legs here. Your abs are getting a workout too. So keep going, you're doing great. It's like a mini cardio session right here at home. A strong core is key. We'll finish up with a solid plank. This seemingly simple exercise is a powerhouse, working not just your abs, but your entire body. It requires focus, balance, and determination, truly embodying the essence of fitness. Picture this. You're a sturdy plank of wood, unshakable, immovable. Now let's get into position. Rest your forearms flat on the floor, elbows aligned below shoulders. Extend your legs behind you, feet hip-width apart. Engage your core and remember to breathe. You might find your body shaking a little. That's perfectly normal. It's just your muscles waking up, getting stronger. Each second you hold this pose, you're becoming more resilient, more powerful. And remember, just like in finance, consistency is key. The more you plank, the stronger your core becomes. So keep at it day after day. This one's a real test of endurance and willpower. There you have it, our 10-minute home workout for busy schedules. Just 10 minutes, and we've jump-started our hearts with jumping jacks, pushed our limits with push-ups, squatted our way to stronger legs, got our energy high with high knees, and planked it out for core strength. It's truly wondrous what we can achieve in such a short amount of time. If you've enjoyed this workout, your thumbs up will be greatly appreciated. It tells us you're with us on this journey towards better health. And if you haven't yet, do subscribe to our channel. It's not just about financial wisdom, it's about holistic growth. We'd love to hear about your workout experience. Did you break a sweat? How are you feeling? Share your thoughts in the comments section. Remember, a healthy body and a healthy wallet go hand in hand. Thanks for joining us on, and we'll see you in the next video.